Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. And today, as I told you in the previous videos, I need to replace the thermostat in this Fiat Bravo. So the problem is when I am driving without stop, the car only reach maybe the 70 degrees or something, and only reach the 90 degrees, for example, in a red light or something, and many times even pass a little bit the 90 degrees. I ordered the thermostat and the temperature sensor to replace because the access to this thermostat is not really cool, so I'll take the chance also to replace the sensor. So guys, I'll need to remove a few things, but I'll show you. So guys, if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe and don't forget the thumbs up. Let's go. The thermostat in this car, it's located under these cables and things, and to have access I will have to remove the battery. Probably I'll have to remove this also, I don't know, let's see. For me it's also the first time that I'm working the Fiat Bravo, but from what I saw I need to remove the battery. Probably I will have to remove this also, and yeah, let's go. Guys, there is another hidden screw right here. Probably you cannot see in the camera, but there is another screw, another 40 mm. So guys, here we have the thermostat. As you can see, the access is not the best, but it is what it is. You need to remove the base of the battery. I also remove this air intake and the hose. After you remove the base of the battery, you just need to put this a bit aside, okay? So guys, what I'm gonna do right now is eject up the car, remove the lower hose to remove the DI water that I have in the system, because I have DI water in the system, and I will add DI water again because I need to make sure that everything is perfect If everything is okay, I will replace the expansion tank and have the recommended coolant in the system. So guys, let's replace this because this is not looking good. Let's go, guys. So guys, it's the same part at least. Let's now remove the clamps and remove all the hoses. Let's go. So guys, I'm running out of battery, so I'll have to skip a little bit, but I will get back to you. I will just install the new thermostat. I will also install this sensor brand new, and this one I will try to transfer because I don't have this one. I need to see what kind of sensor is this, but this one I have right here, and the new thermostat. So guys, let's install everything back again, and I will get back when I install to show you everything, okay? Because basically this is the reverse process, so there's no secrets. So guys, I'm really sorry about that. I need to buy another battery to my camera. Okay, let's go. So guys, I already assembled all the hoses, put all the clamps back, and at least for now everything it's okay. So guys, I also take the chance to, since I have the battery base outside, to give it black spray paint. Let's see how it looks like. So guys, as I told you, I give it a spray paint in this base. It's a gold opportunity to give it better looking, because I will not remove this many times. At least I hope I don't have. It's drying now, but at least will look a little bit better. Let's go. So guys, I already reassembled everything. All it's missing now is to add the battery, add the air intake and the hose, and add the DI water to see if everything at least is working. So guys, I ran out of battery. I went home and took a shower, I took a coffee and a change of clothes, of course. Fortunately, my problem is not fixed, or at least I would say it's half fixed. I still have problems in the cooling system. So guys, let me try to explain you. My problem was like when I'm driving in a normal drive without stop, my temperature only reach 70 degrees and don't reach the 90 degrees, which is the normal functional temperature. And sometimes when I stop the car, for example in a red light or in the traffic, my temperature increase and sometimes also past the 90 degrees a little bit, never overheat of course. So I thought at the beginning that everything is related to the thermostat, but when I reassemble everything and I add the water, I take the car for a ride. I get a footage with my phone. I'm not sure if it's really good, but take a look.
Tell me what you want, what you need. Tell me, tell me, tell me. Tell me what you want, what you need. Tell me, tell me, tell me. Tell me what you want, what you need. Tell me, tell me, tell me. Tell me what you want, what you need. Tell me, tell me, tell me.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. And I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. And I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
So right now what is happening after I replace the thermostat is that I can reach the 90 degrees and get stable. So I took the car for a ride. I drive about 4 or 5 kilometers, I'm not sure. I went to a gas station to take a coffee and everything seems to be okay, as you can see in the footage. When I arrive in the gas station, I turn off the car, of course. I take my coffee and I get back in the car. I just turn on the ignition and the car was like this. I start the car and I realize that I have two problems, because almost immediately the temperature stays normal. So guys, I have two problems. One, it was when I'm driving the car don't reach the 90 degrees, and that is fixed. But right now if I stop the car go increase the temperature over the 90 degrees. So which means that I have two problems. One it's fixed and another is not. And I believe I have some problem related with the fan of the radiator. I'm not sure, I have to take a look. But guys, the thermostat is replacing, 50% of the problem is solved, and I will have to take a look again in the cooling system. I'm not sure if it's the switch of the fan, if it's the fan, I'm not really sure, because I just heard a little bit the fan working and just turned off. But guys, thanks for the support. I will have to continue to work in the cooling system in this car. Thanks for watching. Don't forget your thumbs up and take a look at my other videos if you like cars, restoring cars, fix things like me. And guys, as usual, see you soon. Stay tuned.